What's up, viewers? My name is Morten, aka the MTG Battalion. Today we're doing a pack opening for Journey into Nyx. So last time I opened 2 packs, I got very lucky. I got 2 gods, 1 rare, and 1 foil and 1 not foil in 1 pack. But so yeah, we're going to do another one. So this is going to be a little series, I think. So let's start open up. Okay. Actually, let me open it from here. And these packs, and this was what's her name? I opened this pack, or her. I don't remember her name. Sorry. When I got so I just want. Okay. I want to just zip to the. Okay, let me do the technique. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, foil. I'm very lucky. Okay. Right, let's see. Okay, so we got a Thassa Ire. We got a Nyx Weaver. We got a Reviving Melody. And so we got a Polymorphous Rush. So not happy about that. So our foil is fuck that card. Well, I can show it. Let's see. What about around here? I think. So we got the rare. Okay. So I just quick up, put them here. Let's see. Okay, next pack. I'm planning to get that monthly Bucks Magic. Yeah, that box to get a bunch of magic stuff. Probably going to get that soon. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we do not got a foil. Okay, we got the Themos High Priest, Kiora's Dismissal. Let's see. And so we got Consigned to Dust. Our rare is promo. Spawn of Thraxis it is. So I am not happy about my rares, about my cards. Let's just get a bit of view of this. Okay. Around okay, so I just want to say something else. I want to thanks Chained MTG of helping me a lot of my channel. For example, now I'm standing in front of a window, so it helps a lot. And I'm going to put his channel in the description. And if you don't have subscribed to him, so you do subscribe to him. Well, okay, goodbye.